Okay, guys, I have a trick for you. Tip, trick, a strategy. Do you remember on our board we had those cards and a mental math strategy? Helps you do math in your head. So this one is it's a little help for multiplying by 9. And it's definitely not something you want to keep forever. Again, I've said it before, but the very, very best thing is to memorize your facts. You just want to know them. As fast as you can see them, you know the answer. 5 times 2, 10. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 4, 20. So if you're starting to memorize them, you're on the right track for 3rd grade. When 3rd grade starts, there'll be timed tests. We did some of that for addition and subtraction. So the teacher will set a timer and see how quick you are. And so we've got a great head start. But this is a trick that you can use until you memorize them. So I've attached a multiplying by 9 paper, and then I want to show you my trick. So hold up all 10 fingers in front of your face. And then I'm not sure how this will translate on the camera here, if you'll be seeing it backwards, but start with 9 times 1 and then put 1 finger down. So I'm starting on my left. So 9 times 1, I put my number 1 finger down. There's 9 fingers left. That's the answer. Okay, hands back up. 9 times 2. Now for you, see, it looks different on the camera. I'm not sure what you're going to see, but I'm looking at my fingers. From my left, I'm going to put my number 2 finger down. Now what do you see? I see a 1, and all the rest of my fingers add up to 8. Here's 3 and 5, that's 8. So the answer to 9 times 2 is 1 and 8. 18. Do you see it? Okay, hands back up. Fingers in the camera. Okay, next one. 9 times 3. I'm going to put my number 3 finger down. 1, 2, 3. Number 3 finger goes down, and what do you see? There's 2 over here and 7 over here. So it's the 2 sides of whatever finger you put down. I put my number 3 finger down. The answer to 9 times 3 is 20. There's the 2, and here's 7. 27. Do you see it? Fingers up. 9 times 4. I'm going to put down number 1, 2, 3, 4. Put down my number 4 finger. Do you see the answer? 36. If you're seeing this backwards, you look at your hands. Okay, don't count my hands, look at your hands. So I'm looking at my hand. I have 3 here, that's my first number. And I have 6 here, that's my second number. So 9 times 4 is 36. Don't use my fingers, use your own fingers. Look at your own fingers in front of your face and start from your left. 9 times 5. I'm going to put down my number 5 finger. When my fingers are in a row from the left, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 times 5, put that finger down. Do you see it? On this side, I have 4. Put my number 5 finger down. 5. The answer to 9 times 5 is 45. You see it? Fingers up. 9 times 6. Now we're going to go into the other hand, because I don't have 6 fingers. 9 times 6. So I'm looking at my hands. Look at your hands. And from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My other thumb is number 6. So what do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. 5 and 4 on the other side of the folded finger. 54. Fingers up. What are we on? 9 times 7. So look at your hands. I'll put my hands down so you don't be confused. Look at your hands And from your left, find the 7th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What do you have on this side of the folded finger? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 60. And what do you have on the other side of the folded finger? 3. 63 is the answer to 9 times 7. Are you getting it? Look at your fingers. Don't count. Don't use my fingers. Look at your fingers. So I'm looking at my fingers. 9 times, what are we on? 8. So from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put your 8th finger down. What's on the left side? I have 7 fingers, and on the right I have 2 fingers. So the answer to 9 times 8 is 72. So as you're doing your worksheet, hold your hands in front of you. 9 times 9. So I'm going to put down my 9th finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put down my 9th finger. What's on the left? 5, and these 3 make 8. And what's on the other side? 1. 81 for 9 times 9. Last one, 9 times 10. So from the left, put down your 10th finger, counting from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's on this side of your folded finger? 9. And what's on this side of your folded finger? 0. So 9 and a 0 is 90. So 9 times 10 is 90. All right, see if you can use that to do your worksheet, okay? That's it. Send me your answers. Tell me how long it takes you. Are you getting it? Now, looking at your 9s paper, you shouldn't even need your finger, this challenge, this trick that I showed you for 9 times 0, because you know everything times 0 is 0. You shouldn't need it for 9 times 1. Don't even take the time to do this. You know that 9 times 1 is 9. Don't do the slow method when you know a quick method. Don't use what I just showed you for 9 times 2. You know that 9 times 2 is a doubles. Okay, you don't need it. Just use it for 9 times 3 all the way up to 9 times 9 if you need it. And I don't think you really need it for 9 times 10. You know that anything times 10 is the other number with a 0. So try to go fast. Try to be really fast, okay? Let me know what you thought of this. Bye-bye.